So now student, I am going to explain the most important part of the lesson, okay? So where you can understand the concept. So today our objective is what? Our objective is to understand what? To understand the structure of leaf. To understand the structure of leaf, okay? Structure of leaf. This is our objective. So you know the leaf is most important organ for photosynthesis. So you know it, leaf. So what is the function of leaf? So you know that leaf is very important organ in the plant which help in preparing the food. So when you look at the leaf, so leaf will have what? They will be having like this, okay? Veins are there, okay? So this is the leaf. So leaf is called photosynthetic organ. It help in what? It help in preparing the food material, okay? It will help in preparation of food material. So what the leaf will be doing? The leaf is green color. We can say it is green color due to what? It is due to chloroplast. This chloroplast contain what? This chloroplast contain chlorophyll pigment. It contain chlorophyll pigment. So this pigment help in what? It will help in photosynthesis. Okay, it will help in photosynthesis. And when you look in the leaf, okay, so if you observe very carefully in the leaf what is present? So leaf will have two terms are present. It will have two layers. So what are the two layers the leaves will have? The leaves will have upper epidermis. This is called upper epidermis, okay? So this is the upper epidermis. So this is called upper epidermis. And similarly you will have one more downside also. This is called lower epidermis. So this is known as lower epidermis, okay? So this is upper and this is lower epidermis, okay? So this is called lower epidermis. And here you can find the stomata. Mostly stomata are present in the lower epidermis, okay? And this part is what? This part, okay? What this part is called? So you can see this part, we call them as mesophyll. We call them as mesophyll. Mesophyll is where the part which is present between upper and lower epidermis, we call them as mesophyll. And what is this one? Now in the mesophyll you can see this part, okay? So this part is called as what? This is called palisade parenchyma. Okay, this is called palisade parenchyma. In between you also can round cells are present. What are these? This is called spongy parenchyma. Okay, so spongy and palisade, what will happen? Together what they become? They become mesophyll. Okay, so palisade, spongy, where they are present? They are present in the middle of the leaf. Okay, and in the center what you have? At the center you can see vascular bundles. Okay, you can find vascular bundles are present in this part. Okay, vascular bundles are present. So what is the function of vascular bundle? Vascular bundle help in what? They help in absorption of they help in absorption of food material. Okay, so they transport the food material and water. So basically vascular bundle has two functions. In the vascular bundle what you can see? You can see the xylem and phloem. Okay, xylem for transport of food water, phloem for transport of food material. Okay, now I can ask the questions. So now you have to think some critical thinking. What happened when you block the xylem? What will happen? The answer is very simple. So they cannot transport food material. They cannot transport water and minerals. Okay. And what will happen if the phloem is blocked? If the phloem is blocked, then translocation will not take place. So you can see translocation location is affected. Okay, a translocation is affected when you are not transporting the when you are blocking the phloem. Okay, when you are blocking the phloem, that time translocation is affected. Okay, student. So in this way, you have to understand about structure of leaf. Clear? So what is upper epidermis, lower epidermis are doing? They help in protection the leaf. Okay, they are protecting the leaf, and basically they are protecting what? Palisade and spongy parenchyma. And what they contain? They contain more number of chloroplasts. They contain more number of chloroplast. Okay, so this chloroplast, what they do, they help in photosynthesis. Okay, student. So this is about my video. Okay, about structure of leaf. Thank you.